everybody. I have my monthly cherry on top haul to share with you today. I kind of went for a bit of a theme here. So if you watched one of my earlier hauls, the small one, I had purchased one of the days that a cherry on top had free shipping. I had purchased a couple of the April and Ivy collection, and I hauled these before. I just wanted to try them and kind of see the papers in person. So I didn't order a lot. I just ordered these 3 things, and I really, really liked them. So for my design team package for this month over at A Cherry on Top, I kind of curated for myself a kit of things to mix and match with the April and Ivy collection. And I chose items that were very me. So I chose instead of going for a whole collection of the April and Ivy, I just bought a little bit more of it and then some supporting elements that will allow me to create the way I like to create my cards and layouts and all the things. So for the April and Ivy collection, I went ahead and got, well, this is just for my stash. I bought some more coconut swirl cardstock because it is my favorite, and I use it for all the things in my scrapbook room. Last month, I tried the 49th and Market cardstock. Maybe it was the month before. That was really, really nice. But they didn't have any more in stock, so I just went with this. And now I'm super happy though, because now I have 2 really good white cardstock options that I can get from A Cherry on Top. And if one is out of stock, the other will be in stock, etc. So that was awesome. I'm super happy about that. For papers, I just bought 4 of the April and Ivy 12 by 12. So I just got 4 sheets of paper that I thought I would like, mostly to use as backgrounds. All these papers are in the 6x8 paper pad, but I wanted the larger scale and the beautiful, adorable little branding strips. And A Cherry on Top does have the individual April and Ivy sheets of paper in stock now. They didn't have them in when I ordered the 6x8 paper pad. So this one is the Blooming Brights paper. Really pretty. I like both sides of this. I think this one would be absolutely amazing to kind of fussy cut all these flowers. And then this is a really nice, just easy stripe to use. So both sides of this paper are beautiful. I just got one. Do I sort of wish I got 2? I don't think I do, actually, because I think what I'm going to end up doing is I think I'm going to actually end up fussy cutting this side, but I do like both of them. So as I'm creating, whatever works best with my photos is perfectly fine. Then I got this one. This one's called Petal Parade. Really like this one, but I actually bought it for this side. I thought that this side would be really nice to add some fun contrast to a page. So I got that one. I got the Timeless Textures. I love this pattern. It's so pretty. The backside is just this kind of tone-on-tone floral, which is nice. Don't get me wrong, this is nice, and I love the branding strip, but I really, really love this paper. It's one of my absolute favorite patterns in the whole collection. So I wanted this in a larger size, and we'll probably use this as a background. The last paper that I got was the Bright Blossoms paper. Again, this one's pretty, and you could fussy cut it. It's not going to be as easy to fussy cut as this one. This one's going to be really easy to fussy cut. But I ordered this primarily for this background because it's awesome. I love this like peachy color. It's so pretty. I love this one. And then I also grabbed 2 more embellishments from April and Ivy. So I grabbed the pretty puffy stickers because they're so cute. And I went ahead and got the washi tape. I just thought they were really pretty. And this one right there, that one and that one, that's pretty much why I bought the whole pack, because I wanted this one up here and I wanted this one up here and the gold. So there is a lot of fun gold foil in that April and Ivy collection. So to complement that gold foil, I got a couple of things that I can mix and match, like with my stamps and all of that. First of all, I got some wax melts. So Honeybee Stamps wax melts are my favorite. They're the best. And look at these gold ones. I have been loving adding wax melts to my projects recently, so I know that that will be a definite go-to. I wanted to try some of Catherine Pooler's new pigment inks. You know I'm a Catherine Pooler fan. There are 3 pigment inks, gold, champagne, and silver. When I placed my order, the champagne and the silver had both already sold out because they sell out like that, I'm telling you. But the gold was still in stock, so I grabbed that. And hopefully in a later order, I'll be able to grab the champagne and the silver. So I got the gold, and since I was getting the gold, I went ahead and got the labels for the sides because that is how I store my, I store them like this. So having that little label right there works really well. And then I also just went ahead and bought an ink re-inker. I always buy re-inkers for my Catherine Pooler inks because the Catherine Pooler foam, I don't think it holds a lot of ink. I think that's what it is. It doesn't hold a ton of ink. And so quite often you need to re-ink, especially if you're doing like direct to paper type applications. So I'm super excited to try this and see what it is like. And I'm also quite hopeful that she might come out with a white. We did that one. I also got some new British Monroe embossing powder. This looked so pretty. It's called Bubbly. It was new. It's so pretty, right? And I thought it would be fun to play with. And I love British Monroe products, so I want to go ahead and use that. I love this like cream color. Like I don't have any embossing powders that are cream like this. And then it has this like fun, like if you catch it in the light, it has this fun sheen to it. I just think it's going to be a really great embossing powder. I got 2 new to me specialty cardstocks. So this is from Tonic. It is a vellum paper called Pearled Gold. And really cool. This is printer friendly, and part of me wants to like play with that ability, so we'll see. But I just look how pretty this is. Like so pretty. And I thought it would be gorgeous. There is all throughout the April and Ivy collection, there is this really kind of bright yellow gold. And so I wanted to play that up a little bit. Uh-oh. And I thought that that would work really well for that. And then I also grabbed, so this is new. This is Pinkfresh Studios. I don't know, it's new to me. It is called Pinkfresh Studios Essentials Glitter Cardstock. This is the blush, and it is really pretty. So I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if, I don't want to take it out in case it sheds, but I don't know if it's going to shed. I don't know how it's going to work. I'm hoping that maybe it is as good as my Altenew diamond glitter cardstock that I absolutely adore. Oh man, I love that stuff. I'm hoping that it's the same, you know, that it will work. So we'll see how that goes. Apparently it was glitter and gold. My cherry on top package this month was glitter and gold. That's the theme. I got my favorite crystal crystal stickles. This is my favorite color of stickles. Absolute favorite. Just used a whole bunch of mine up. It's down to like just like the wee little bit at the bottom of the, so I needed a new one and I love it. And then I grabbed some letter stickers, hoping that these will stick. That's all I'm going to say about that. I got some from Pinkfresh Studio. I tried their little like puffy stickers. So this one's from Lovely Blooms and this one's from Tourist Mode. Seems like these colors are really nice, and I thought the colors worked with the April and Ivy, and look, they totally do. Yay! And they seemed like they had lots of vowels in them, uppercase and lowercase. So, and there's, this has numbers. This one has numbers. I like the font, really simple font. So we'll see how these work. But I have been liking like mixed fonts on my titles recently. So like I have been getting my, doing my stamps or my dies, but then I want like to make another word, a different font or different kind. And I want to have just a couple, not a ton, just some letter stickers here that stick and will work. So I went ahead and grabbed those two to try out. So the last little part of the haul from a Cherry on Top was some more letter stickers. I have been really noticing as I have been creating that I don't have a lot of titling options, and I'm kind of always looking for something a little different or a little new. So I treated myself to a couple more different alphabet sticker sheets from Pinkfish Studio. I got these pretty silver ones from Spring Vibes. I got these pretty gold ones from Garden Bouquet. And then I got these really tiny but so cute green ones from Chrysanthemum. And then I went ahead and got myself a new die set too. So this is from Lawn Fawn. These are the Oliver's Stitched ABCs. I thought they would be super fun. I really like simple fonts like this. And as I have been working through, like the last couple days, I think I've done 3 or 4 different layouts where I made my own thickers. And with, you know, the cardstock and then the dies and then the pretty paper on top. And I noticed that I was noticing like all my die sets are lowercase and sometimes you want uppercase. So I grabbed these. I thought they'd be really cute. They have a little stitch detail and I like the size. They're not super big. They're maybe 3/4 of an inch. They're not quite 1 inch. They're just a tad smaller. So, and that's it. Those are all the fun goodies that I will be playing with throughout the next, well, probably these will probably show up first in my Cherry on Top projects through January and February. They're going to overlap a little bit. So, all right. I hope you like all of the fun products I got. There will be links below for everything I ordered from a Cherry on Top, along with an affiliate link. And that link is a huge help to my channel. It is a huge helps so much. Every time you use the link, I do a little happy dance. I guarantee it. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.